Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this tutorial. How to roll backs from 17 iOS to a 16 or 16 to a 15. Spontaneously, of course, if you would like to downgrade from 17.5 beta to 17 or 16.5. How do you do that without data loss on any iPhone device? It happens sometimes we required to downgrade due to bug or some error, or when your iOS after updating it's going to damaged. So in that condition, of course, very useful. So let's firstly check it out manually. Is it possible or not? If it is not possible, then of course we will go with the help of computer, and of course blindly that trick will work. So see right now guys, here just we will tap on a settings, and after coming the setting, just you will have to choose the general options. So in general you have to click on about, and as we see this is a 17.0 iOS is currently working on this device. And if I go for software update, can I have to get an opportunity? Let's see. So now see, especially here 17.0 right now, and it's saying that this iOS is up to date. So in that condition, of course, we are unable to now see, especially here we are unable to downgrade. So can I add, especially with the help of computer, to downgrade it? So for it guys, just we will come on a run as administrator, that is a 3 tool, and of course we will connect a data cable in your computer from device to a PC, and click on all the detail is here 17.0. click on a smart flash, and we have an option here. See guys, yes, we will click on there and we will go for, see, sometimes if you get any error, then of course change the internet connection and do it. This it will start to download guys. So right now here, of course, once again we will click on a refresh option, and as we see the detail 17.5 beta if you using or if you are using, so then of course you can 16.6. of course we have a downgraded last option, and if I have the rest by there especially on 16.6, then definitely we can get an opportunity to downgrade from 16.6 to 15. So here this is very important one thing, so that come with this retain user data. In that condition, if you select this retain user data, and if you click to a plus, then of course all the data will be returned. Yes, remember, you cannot lose your data. So if you select this one, anti-recovery, or as well as especially this quick flash mode, then you can lose your data. So that's why we will select this one and we will hit this. So yes, it's a total size of approximately 6 GB. So it will take scarcely, I mean, internet speed is very slow right now here, so it will take a time, half an hour. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. After downloading, just hit this enter. So we will start to download now, and then after that of course we will come with this retain user data. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry, or if you ponder that it is informative and acknowledgeable, then don't forget like and subscribe this channel, because this is the thing that will inspire me to create more videos such as informative guys, and maybe beneficial, who is a highly specialized to have such kind of information guys. So thank you very much, and have a great time. Bye bye.